Welcome to FESPA 2025. I'm Lieven Bernier with Summa, and I'm proud to introduce you 3 novelties here at our stand. First of all, we have a world premiere. This is the brand new F1625. It's a true F-series. That means it comes with automatic device calibration. That means it comes with our proprietary kiss cutting technology. Tools are modular and interchangeable. And what I forgot to mention, this is a 4 by 8 feet flatbed digital cutter. So that means it's optimized for board materials. We created this one to sit very nicely in between our entry-level 1612 model and the models that we have higher up in the range. But this is perfect for an SMB, for a small company, for a medium-sized company looking to invest into a sign-making flatbed, and you will have your ROI in 2 to 3 years. Last thing I have to say about this product, it comes with our GoProduce software, and GoProduce is our operator software. It is zero training, zero learning, so your operators can get going in a few hours on this machine. What I should mention as well, setup installation in less than 1 day. So the F1625, our new baby in the F-series of Summa.